I'm just laughing because I try to have contests with myself because I'm just by myself here at the radio studio. I think, can I do a video that's 5 minutes or less? And 5 minutes is a long time. Then I try to dare myself. Can I do one in 4 minutes or 3 minutes to where I can just tell people to take action, do this, do that, and you're probably going to want to join Live Good as a member and an affiliate. And I think I can help you be successful. Okay. But I just want to sit on the couch, get an ice cold drink, just sit back. And I like to shoot the shot. Okay. And have the human experience kind of take over. I want to know what you do and where you been, where you going, what's your goals with Live Good. Okay. Do you have crazy toys and hot rods or girls? What's your favorite recipes or food, or do you have a cute little puppy? I like those little French terrier bulldog. Are they French? Or I forgot what they call those little dogs with the little ears. I'm addicted to those. Some of my friends here, some girls here in Utah, they have a couple of those dogs. They call them Frenchies. They're my favorite. I could do a whole video just on Frenchies, but guys, in a couple minutes, can I invite you to just watch something? And if you join me, I'm going to go ahead and give you an email of exactly what I do. Okay? Exactly what I do. I want you to copy me. I want you to look at my business cards and go, you know what? I can do that. I can go ahead and get Vistaprint up on my computer screen and make me a nice little business card that's clean. I can find a domain at GoDaddy that's unavailable and it's only $11, like joincory.com. Okay, that's what I bought. My master hub is corydraper.com. If you go there, you can see how I kick butt in Live Good. You know, how did I get 10 people in 12 days? It's all just making things real simple. All right, I can do a video, I can do an email, I can post on Facebook, okay, or TikTok, Instagram. All you got to do is just let people know that you just click something and you watch something, and you either delete that email and go on your way, or you just save that email in your noggin, or maybe bookmark it on Google Chrome and go back to it later. Okay. But you need to make just the experience of Live Good as simple as possible. Okay. So I'm at 2.5 minutes. Can I do a video that's 3.5 minutes? I don't know, but I'm going to try my best. I got 1 more minute. I want you to get a business card. I want you to get a domain name. I want you to forward it to capture pages already made. The website's already made. The products page will Live Good. You can order wholesale, retail. You can go to the FAQ section in the comp plan tab. It will teach everyone through video the comp plan. The FAQ section is awesome. It says FAQ. You click it and you read all the questions. You go to the products tab. You see what the ingredients are, how much, wholesale, retail. You even know how much shipping is. It's U.S. Post Office here in America with tracking. If it's outside the States, it's DHL International with tracking. Very simple. If you're in Live Good, get a hold of me. And I'm going to invite you to the corydraper.com website right there, because then you can see the exact things that I do to get 10 signups in 12 days. And I'm not talking a bunch of money and set up systems and do all this kumbaya, and all of a sudden you're just confused. Just take baby steps. We'll get the business card. We're going to get the domain. I'm going to send you 140 free emails. I'm going to send you over 100, 200 subjects to put in the emails. I want to take out all the guesswork. I want you to copy me. Okay? I want you to really have a good time and a good experience in Live Good. And then I want everyone that signs up underneath you and so on to have a good experience too. And if you want, pass the buck to me. I'll help them out. It's all about duplication, okay? So I'm at 4 minutes and 12 seconds according to my digital timer. So this will be a short video. If you watch mine, I always do about 10. But guys, let's just keep Live Good simple. You can do this, please. Don't get intimidated and bummed out. Even if you've been in Live Good 1 or 2 years, Live Good's birthday is tomorrow. It's December 13th. Okay, but just relax. Take a deep breath. You haven't lost a lot of money. Live Good's $10 a month, $40 to be an affiliate. Let's do the best we can to get that money back and get you in the profit zone, okay? And then let's work on maybe ordering some products for you too, so you're not embarrassed about the products. You don't think you're just getting people to sign up and so on and so on. Use the products. They're wholesale. If you don't like them, you got 3 months. Give the products back to Jupiter, Florida, okay? So anyway, that's it, guys. 5 minutes. This is one of my shortest videos. I'm going to try to do a 4-minute and a 3-minute one too. Okay. All right, guys. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and get a hold of me, Cory at CoryDraper.com. All right, man. Thanks for putting up with me and my hat. See you soon, guys. Bye.